Hello there, my name is Cynthia Wakeo, the Communication and Events Manager at Corporate Staffing Services. And today we are talking about a very special course, Advanced Excel. And I am joined by an expert and a trainer who does this training. And he's going to introduce himself and give us a bit background in his experience in advanced training. Thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you very much. My name is Hazari Nick. I'm an advanced Excel trainer. From my background, I come from Strathmore University. After doing a diploma in information technology, I ventured into training programs in terms of applications. So other than advanced Excel, which we are talking about today, I also train project management, Adobe Suite, design softwares, architecture, ArchiCAD, 3D modeling. So in terms of training, I'm very well versed in training these softwares. For advanced Excel, we have trained many people in the industry. So far, we have about 3 years experience in training advanced Excel. Every year it keeps updating. We've trained from financial managers to industrial applications makers, and I think it will be a good thing to talk about it today.
Yeah. All right, then we jump into the course. Tell me more about what the course entails.
The course entails advanced skills in Excel. This is the new methodologies that are there in applications in Excel. It's updated every year, and we train people on the use of these advanced features that we have. You have all the analytics methods, VBS applications in Excel that are new, and we help people manage and how to use them also in their day-to-day work. Yeah.
So what I've had is, one of the things I've had is expecting to learn new trends in advanced Excel. But when we're looking at the course, what can one expect to learn?
In this course, we want to make trainees be able to do data visualization using charts, data analysis, project queries in the complex Excel sheets, and also to automate some of the things that they do using Excel. For example, when you look at data presentation, you have a lot of data, let's say banking information, and you want to say 20% of people have this. It could be easier to do it in an analytics form, and that's what advanced Excel does to you. You'll be able to present well your data to your managers, to people. You see the nice Excel sheets and tables that people use to analyze data, especially for like financial managers to explain this complex analytics that you have done. It's very easy. From this course, you'll be able to learn how to show that in terms of your reporting and all that.
Yeah. What are the benefits from someone, a professional sitting in the office? Yeah. What can make them stand out? One with an advanced Excel certificate and one without the differentiating factor.
If you have an advanced Excel certificate, first of all, you have a little bit of more knowledge in terms of automating your data. You'll be able to help your company process information faster. There's a lot of information nowadays, and it mostly comes in Excel sheet. For example, now IEBC, they have a lot of data, and it needs to be analyzed. We think somebody with an advanced Excel course under his belt can be able to do this automation of analysis of data, arranging data, presenting it, querying it from the various databases very easy, and it will actually give an edge in terms of even presentation of the data.
Yeah. So let's talk about who should take the course and how long the course at Corporate Staffing takes.
The course is important for people who are working in the field of data. Advanced Excel gives people like financial managers, data analysts, project managers, a way to put together information for ease of consumption by people who are not advanced. So anybody looking to advance their grasp of Excel common Excel can really benefit from this course. It will our training takes about 2 to 3 days. We are doing one for 3 days now, about 6 hours a day, and I think after the course you should be well advanced in Excel.
Yeah.
Yes.
Any success stories now that you've said that?
Yes.
From people who have taken
we
this
have
class?
in the training, some of the success stories that we've had is in our CSS training classes. We have a project manager who we managed to teach advanced Excel to use in his company for development of reporting from applications that they were doing. So it comes from a technology company. They make apps for various institutions, but now they needed to get reports, and automating these reports, sending them to the clients and reporting, and that comes only from an advanced Excel course that gave him that ability to be able to develop just a simple 4-page report from a huge database of data and analytics from the apps that they've developed.
Yeah. I hope they got promoted after that.
Yes, it's a good thing. They actually come back to us to add a bit of more, because advanced Excel, they keep updating every year. So we sometimes enhance even that Excel training, because there are already features being added as we speak, and we need to train them on that.
Yeah. And any final advice for someone looking to take up this course?
I think anybody who wants to improve on their basic Excel sheet, it is very important that you take this course. It first of all adds value to your knowledge, to your CV, and in terms of the reporting that you can be able to do. This course will enhance your capabilities of doing data analytics, which is actually where the world is going now. We find a lot of people needing to present their data, needing to do data analysis and read from it. So I think this is very important for anybody who wants to expand their knowledge on Excel.
Yeah. And I think with those skills, you're able to now advance in your career also.
Yes, it gives you an edge. Actually, our certificate gives you an edge in terms of even making applications for jobs that need analysis as part of the main requirements. I should be joining the class very soon.
You're very welcome. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for watching. As you've heard from our experts, if you would like to improve on your data analysis and reporting skills, please fill in the form below and we'll reach out for the next steps. See you next time.